Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're so happy that we're getting to do this video together after such a long time.
Yay.
Yeah.
So, which was your favorite book you read when you were in high school?
Twilight, specifically New Moon because it had come out when I was in 7th grade. So, Twilight.
Oh, okay. What would you say an adult version of Twilight is?
50 Shades of Grey.
I think a lot of people would agree to that. So, today we're going to do a character and storyline intersection of 50 Shades and Twilight collection of books.
Not many people know this, but 50 Shades of Grey is actually a spin off to Twilight.
Oh.
So, the author of 50 Shades of Grey, E.L. James, started posting her own take on Twilight with different characters on an online writers community. So, she started writing her own take on Twilight by creating 50 Shades of Grey based on the storyline and characters of Twilight. So, that's why don't you think 50 Shades of Grey and Twilight are a little similar?
What? I don't think so. I mean, I just heard about your fan fiction theory, but I still think that they have a lot of differences.
Yeah, so let's compare. Yeah, obviously they're different. I mean, Edward is a vampire and Christian is human. So Edward has a thirst for blood and Christian doesn't.
Yeah, but Christian has a thirst for control.
So I'll be talking about similarities and she'll be talking about differences.
And let the jury decide and let us know in the comments what do you think.
The first similarity is between the male protagonists. Christian and Edward are somewhat similar. They're both mysterious, wealthy, and they have a shady past.
Okay, I agree, but I want to counter that. Even though they're both charming and very intelligent, Christian Grey has been running a lot of successful businesses, but Edward is sadly still in high school.
Yeah, okay. Point taken. Yeah, that is actually true.
Also, Edward is kind of flawless and perfect. But Christian, even though he's portrayed like that in the beginning, later we encounter a lot of deeply rooted flaws and insecurities within. So that is a fundamental difference.
It's the same with the women protagonists as well. Bella and Anastasia are somewhat similar. They're both geeky, different, and they're intimidated by their male counterparts. And you can see throughout the book they're somewhat insecure about themselves, that they think that they don't deserve their partner.
I agree, but I did find one major character difference in Bella and Anastasia. So, even though they're both intimidated by them and they're both softer characters than their male counterparts, Bella has always transformed herself completely for Edward's life. But Anna has stood her ground and even though Edward is more gullible to Bella than Christian is to Anna, Anna has still made sure that he meets her halfway.
Yeah,
Christian has also changed a lot for Anna. Like, Anastasia has retained her job even though she's married the successful billionaire. And like a lot of her principles, she's not given up for him.
Yeah, that's true.
With that, I like Anna's character more than Bella's.
So the third thing is, we can see the male protagonists, Christian and Edward, on purpose distance themselves from Bella and Anna respectively, because they're afraid of hurting the female counterparts.
True. Well, in a way, don't you think Christian is more selfish than Edward?
Yeah.
Because we've seen Edward being more responsible, even
Yeah.
though he is ready to sacrifice his love for the sake of protecting Bella. But in the beginning, we've seen how Christian is always stalking her and he's so
Yeah.
persuasive to get the decision out of her.
Yeah.
So I think Christian is more human than Edward.
Edward. I agree with that because there is a quote in the book where Edward says, "I couldn't live with myself if I ever hurt you."
Oh.
There are a lot of similarities between the two families as well, because we can see Edward's and Christian's families are very similar. They love Edward and Christian respectively, and they're so welcoming when both of them bring the girl home.
And mischievous sisters.
Yeah, very mischievous sisters. Correct.
Yeah, I think Edward's and Christian's families are very similar. But when it comes to Anna and Bella's parents, Edward is kind of always scared of Bella's dad, and
Yeah.
he's always looking for her parents' approval.
Very intimidated by his dad.
Yes,
By her dad.
yes.
Yeah.
But Christian doesn't really seem to care about getting Anna's parents' approval, and he's very dominating that way.
Very. He goes off to Georgia to meet them, even without telling her.
Yeah, even though she's with her mom.
Mom. Yeah, correct. I agree with that. There is a revenge storyline in both stories because we see in 50 Shades, there's Jack, Anna's boss, who's seeking revenge from Christian, and there's Victoria in Twilight.
Yes, there are both strong villains in both the books, but their revenge plots is a little different. Like in Twilight, it is more of an eye for an eye thing. Like Victoria is seeking revenge from Edward because Edward killed her mate and
Yeah.
she wants to kill his mate. But in 50 Shades, it's more of Darwin's theory where Christian and Jack were in the same foster home, and Jack is jealous that Christian was picked off for a better life.
Yeah, correct.
And he was left alone.
There is another very sweet similarities between both books. They both have a fairy tale wedding and a lavish honeymoon.
Oh, yes. I don't have a counter to that. They're both
Yeah.
very sweet and
It's very
romantic.
Yeah. There's another similarity, unexpected pregnancies. So both of them get pregnant, and it is a surprise to both of them. And the male protagonists are upset and they don't accept the pregnancy so easily.
Yeah, and both of them face hard first year of marriage.
Yeah, correct.
But again, I think in Twilight, Edward is selflessly protective that
Yeah.
of Bella. He's afraid the baby will harm
Her.
the vampire baby will harm
Correct.
Bella. But in 50 Shades, he's overly possessive where
Yeah.
he thinks the baby is going to steal her away from him.
Yeah, that's true. Whatever similarities or differences the books might have, they both have happy endings. And the male protagonists, that is Christian and Edward, hold up to their promise of showing their wives the world.
Yes, on Twilight, literally on his back, and in 50 Shades, in a private jet.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, for more such fun videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So, happy reading. Bye bye.
Bye.